Physique check. Come on now. Come on now. Anyway, bro, the ROI for quitting social media is like crazy high, bro. If we look at the like positives versus the negatives, it's like what are the like negatives? So imagine that's like the negatives, and this is like the positives, right? The negatives for quitting like social media and your phone and like TV shows and movies and all that stuff is basically you have to go through a bit of pain. Like it's a bit painful when you have to like get yourself to not watch it. You will have like a bit of like FOMO. You will be like it's like a bit difficult. You'll be seen as a bit of like an outsider. But it's like you're trying to grow business like either way. It's like you are going to be different either way. So it's like yeah, like just suck it up, bro. It's just like suck it up, and it will be painful for like I don't know like okay, so I quit like 4 months ago. Right, I still like have some cravings for like stuff, but it's like you have to like realistically you have to go through like 3 days of pain. Okay, so what are the like positives? The positives are that you will literally like be way more productive. Yeah. Anyway, you know what I mean, right? You'll be way more productive. What's it called? Fuck my speaker just turned off. What's it called? Like yeah, it's like your like dopamine regulation will. Okay, that's a D. Your dopa. I think you know what I mean, right? Your dopamine regulation. Fuck. This is how you type it. Okay, goddamn, I'm messing up a lot in this video. Anyway, your dopamine regulation will be like regulated way more, which basically just means you won't be as like you'll be more motivated to do like the stuff that actually moves the needle. Cause like right now you're motivated to watch like the TV show. You're motivated to like, you know what I mean? It's like, bro, your sleep will be better. Your relationship with your family, friends will be better. Like everything is just like better. It's like, just quit. It's like worth it. The ROI is like crazy high. And if you're actually trying to grow the business, just like your business results will probably grow way more just because of this. Like if you did nothing but just quit social media and you kept like everything the same, your sleep would be better, and that in and of itself would probably like make your business grow way more. That's the first thing. When you have like better relationships with your family and friends, there's like no like arguments, there's no like all of that stuff. It's just like, bro, I feel like it's pretty crazy that I have to convince you about this, but it's like, you know, it's worth it. It's like the if you could imagine, this is like a graph, right? And this is like time and this is pain. There's like you experience like a lot of pain in the beginning, right? And then it like tapers off, and then it like goes below baseline. If you could imagine, this is like your regular baseline. So it's like, it's worth it, bro. You just have to get over like, let's just say this is like 7 days or something like that. It's like, it probably depends from person to person, but it's like the ROI is fucking massive. So quit. Click the first link in the description. Join my like free community. It's literally free. We have 37 guys in here. There's like a free course and everything. Like I've made like a full-on free course that you can watch. So yeah, that's pretty awesome. And yeah, bro, you can also see like where everyone is from. So yeah, click the first link in the description. Join and have a good rest of your day. See you, brother.